Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we're going to learn how to get QR code for your Google Form. Okay, you can generate a QR code for your Google Forms easily. So I will show in this video tutorial. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So I'm starting from beginning. Okay, I show from beginning. Just come to your Google Drive account and log in with your Google ID. Now I just take one form, or you can open your existing form. So I just take one form here. So the blank form will be open. Now you have to you know make the all your questionnaire, or you can say questions, or make all changes here, or your work. After your work done, you have to go in Chrome extension. Just go to the Chrome extension, open it. Okay, this is a Chrome web store, and you can search here QR code generator. Okay, so this will be open, and I use this, and it is very easy, and it is very good service provider. So just click on it. Now just install it. Actually I have already installed it, so it show me remove from Chrome. So you have to install it, or you will see add button, so just add it. After that you will see this icon here, or you just click on this extension icon and pin it, so it will be show here. So now this extension useful to generate QR code for any web page. Okay, so now just come to the Google form and go to the, okay, come to the send after you work done, and get the links. You can short the links and just copy the link from here, and now go to this, click on this icon, and from here you have to change the link. Okay, so link has been changed, and the QR code also changed. Now you can download it. You can download. Okay, so after download you can open it, and you can share it, or you can use it to anywhere. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for